8:50. Oh, Saturday, December 11th, and 2021. And my left arm, or my left wrist, is still like, it's numb. I must have nerve damage, because when I go to like clap my hand, I really feel it then. Like I don't feel it as much now. Like I kind of do. Like when I don't feel it as much when I'm using it, but when I go to clap my hand, I'll feel it run from like my forearm down all the way up on top. This must be that nerve that runs on. And my lower back is loosened up a bit. I got out for a walk and such, but still it hurts. It's like torn again. But anyway, I needed to do an update due to the so-called constables using unnecessary force. Brutal.